I don't think you can put a price on the academies. It's free college credits, and you're playing with thousands and thousands of dollars worth of machinery right there at your fingertips.
I'll tell the students, you know how long I had to work before they let me even touch one of these machines, and here you are in high school and you have access to actually get some hands-on experience with them. Employees are needing more skills at a higher level in today's manufacturing environment. And at the edge of each town, there's a manufacturing company that needs employees.
I think if I went straight into welding after this, I'd be ready to go. I've learned so much.
Students coming away from this academy have a lot of extra skills that would give them an advantage when finding employment, helping them through a 2-year degree and even into a 4-year engineering design degree. They can take it really as far as they want to.
Come here, try it out. If you don't like it, you're not out nothing, you know. If anything, you're walking away with college credits and might transfer to something else.